In the previous section, I mentioned that creating your own view controllers is one of the most common tasks you'll be doing while you make your own apps. So your final challenge for this section is to give this some practice on your own. Specifically, I'd like you to add a new button to your About screen that says About the Author. And if you tap it, it should display your name, your picture, and a little bit of information about you. If you get stuck, you can check out the previous exercise, or you can keep watching for the solution. Good luck. Okay, here's what I came up with. I'm going to go to File, New File, to create a new class for my new view controller. So I'm going to select iOS Cocoa Touch class, and I guess I'll name this About Me view controller. And it's again going to be a subclass of view controller. Click Next, make sure it's in the bullseye target, and click Create. Okay, going back to the storyboard, let's set up this new storyboard. So I'm going to open up the Utilities panel and drag in a new view controller. And unlike last time, I'm going to hook it up to my class right away so I don't forget, since it's such a common, easy thing to forget. And so in the class here, I'm going to select About Me view controller. Now, if you remember, the challenge was to show your name, your picture, and a little bit about yourself. So we're going to need three things here. We're going to need a label to show the name here. And I'm going to say about the author, Ray Wenderlich. Okay, and to resize, you hit Command equals to make it about right. And I'm going to want that to be a lot bigger, so I'm going to adjust the font here, and I'm going to make the font like, I don't know, 28, and maybe we should bold it too. So instead of regular, I'm going to select bold. All right, resize one more time. All right, that's looking good. Now I need my picture over here. How do you add a picture to the app? Well, there's this file called assets.xc assets that allows you to contain any image you want to have in the game. And so all you have to do is find the image on your computer and drag it into here. And we'll be talking more about how this works later on in this course. So I just dragged my, my profile picture into this app right here. Now I can go back to the storyboard and drag in an image view into the app. And I can set the image right here to my image. Now by default, it's set to scale to fill the image, and I'm going to pick aspect fit instead. That way it'll always be the same aspect ratio as the original image. So I'll put my image over here. And finally, we need one more thing, which is the text view that will contain some information about me. So here you go. And Ray is the editor-in-chief at raywenderlich.com. Okay, and we need one more thing, which is the close button. Close. Okay, so now it's set up the way I want it to look. Now, how do I get this view controller to go to the other? Well, first we're going to need an About the Author. I'm going to resize with Command equal. Okay, put that over here. And to get it to show up, I'll just hold down Control and drag over to this view controller. And I'm going to do present modally. So now I have a new view controller for this. And again, just for fun, we'll set it to flip horizontal for the transition. Okay, now, again, I now have to make the close button dismiss this. Now I could go the normal way where inside view controller, I make a method and then connect them, but I want to show you a shortcut. So far, I haven't shown you this. This is the assistant editor. If you open this up, it kind of brings another panel so you can be laying out things here and doing code at the same time. And you want to make sure it's set to automatic. And if you do, and if you've told the storyboard that this is associated with the About Me view controller class in the identity inspector, which it is, then we automatically see the code that goes along with this view controller. And the nice thing about that is you can do this. If I control drag from this button down here, it brings up this dialog that allows me to create a new outlet for this button or a new action for this button. And we want action in this case. So I can just call it close tapped and click connect. And that automatically creates a IB action method for me and connects to this button all in one step. It's just a shortcut for what we've been doing all along. So now I can call dismiss, and I can say animated true, and completion is nil. All right, so now I can run this. Now I can tap the I button, and then the About the Author button, and there's the About the Author. Close that, and close that. Pretty good.